Hello, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As we're speaking. Good. So today we'll be looking at this. We have a C programming lab exercise, right? And I would love that is for this because from time to time I'll be putting up more question and answers. Is that okay? From the beginner level, intermediate level, and the expert level in C programming. Is that all right? Good. So today we'll be looking at it, lab exercise one. And the objective here is to be familiar with the syntax and structure of a C program, which means that how is the C how the structure of a C program looks like. And we'll also be using comments. We'll also be using comments. Is that okay? We'll be using comments. And the objective of today's lesson is to be familiar with the syntax and structure of C programming, to learn problem solving techniques using C. Is that okay? Then we have a problem instruction there. Write a program to calculate and display the volume of a cube having its height 10 centimeters, width 12 centimeters, and the depth of 8 centimeters. And we have the algorithm there, which we start define variables, assign values to variables, calculate the volume as that. Then you display that. You can see that is in the flow chart. Is that okay? That's another way of representing an algorithm. So here it's like that's the algorithm given to us there. Good. So I'll use LSC. I'll use LSC for my to run my to run and compile and run this code. Is that okay? So I'll search for LSC. Is that okay? And I will start a new project. You see on empty projects here, I click on console and I can put here what Q. Is that okay? And then now I would change my folder. Where's my folder? All right, I put in that exercises. Is that okay? I select this folder and I click on OK. Good. I can hover on here on new and I click on source code, or I go to file and I click new and I click on source code. I will just come here and I click on source code. So the first thing there is we need a library. All right, the library for input, output, and you have a hash include stdio uh, stdio.h. Is that okay? The next thing we have an int main. Now this is input output. Is that all right? Now the next we have an int main. Now we have to begin a program, right? Declaration of variables. We have an int h, w, d, and what? Volume. Is that okay? And here is declaration of variables. Is that okay? And then now we assign the variables h equal to what was that? H was equal to 10. All right. W equal to 12. Okay. And the depth, which is d, depth d equal to 8. Sure. Yeah. Equal to 8 semicolon. And here is what? Assigning values to variables. Is that okay? Good. And here, as we have assigned, we don't need to tell the user again to display using the printf. Is that okay? We don't need to tell the user again to display using printf. So I'll just go there directly and I'll just if my volume to be equal to H times W times D. Is that okay? And then now I need to display the output to the user. Is that okay? And that will be the volume of a cube is percentage G, which is an integer. Volume. Good. Now here, what we are doing here is calculating the volume using mathematical formula. Is that okay? Calculating volume using mathematical formula. And then here you are displaying the answer, which is the volume. Okay. The user. Is that okay? And then after doing that, what we do is we return 0. And return 0 is end of. So that's also return 0 is supposed to be end of the main program. After that, I close. Now, what you notice is the comment will not appear. All right, at the output when we save this, we compile and we execute. Is that okay? So I save. I either use Control plus S to save, or click on this icon here to save, or I go to File and I click on Save or Save As. Save As means that you have to save the document as. But since as you have not saved, you can click either on Save As or on Save. Now you see here, this is my the path. We have lab exercises and cube, so it will be cube.c. Okay, cube.c, and I click on save. Do you want to add the file cube.c to your current project? Yes. And now you see here, it appears here. Is that okay? We have the project, you have the source folder and the source file. But when I compile this, is that okay? Done. So no problem is found. Is that okay? No problem is found. And now execute. When I execute, it gives me the answer directly. Is that okay? It gives the volume of the cube is that. Now you see here 960, and you see here, press any key to continue. Now I want this to appear on a new line. Is that okay? So what I'll do is I come here and I use my /n, and I save, I compile, and I do that. Good. That's it. So automatically the press any key to continue has moved to the next line. Good. Thank you for watching, and in the next lesson we'll be working on other programs, make you understand the structure of C programming. Thank you for watching. You can like, you comment, and you subscribe. Thank you.